Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A little bit chilly out there, so I've got the hat on. In today's video, we're finally going to be installing the wishbones. It took me a little while, but I've been a bit busy. But we're going to give these a go. These have already been fitted with powerflex bushings. There is a video on my profile on how to install these, so be sure to check that out if you want. So let's get out there and get them fitted. So first off, we've got the car jacked up. I'm going to pop the wheel off. Well, now I've got the wheel off, I've turned the steering wheel to allow me to see down here a bit better. You can see your wishbone here. First thing you're going to want to do is remove this locking pin and tap this joint out. Now, to get this joint out of this, we're going to be using a ball joint separator. So the idea here is to wedge it in between, give it a whack until it's free. So we'll give that a go. Now that's free, we can work on the back two bolts, which should be this one and this one. Now with both of them pins removed, we should be able to just slip this out. Yeah, definitely needed new bushings. Now to get the new wishbone in, simply going to sit it into place. So here I just lifted the roll bar to make it a bit easier to get to. Once you've got both sides in, you can bolt it up. We're only going to do this up loosely because you want to either drop the car or you want to lift this up first before you fully fasten it. Otherwise you'll end up with squeaking. It's too much pressure on the bushings. So we'll loosely do this side, that side, then we'll get this pin in. Once we've got the pin under the holder, I'm going to use the help of the jack to get it back in there. With that in place, I'm going to lock it in. With the pin in place and the skewing bolt fastened, we're going to lift the arm up to a point where we're almost lifting the car up again. So that's it. Just lifted it up a tiny bit from the axle. Now we can do up these back bolts. Then we grab our tension bar, set it to 80. This is going to be for the front and back rears. And this pin at the front should be 60. So we'll get them tightened up now. So that's the wishbone installed. We can now lower this and get the wheel back on, and that's one side done. I'm gonna leave the wheel off for a second because I've just got another job to do before I finish. But next up is this side, and do the exact same again. And once we've got that side done, we are good to go. Get your wheels back on, don't forget to salt them, drop the car, take it out for a ride. I will have a video coming some point soon to go over all the powerflex, how it's feeling, how it's handling, how it feels on the road. So make sure you subscribe for that, and make sure you like the video. Cheers guys.